Why are you dancing?
Because they playing Taylor Swift. After watching many days. We're in Penang, Malaysia, and it's Chinese New Year, and we're about to party it up at the Wheelers. How is it?
Good. I haven't had pasta like this in probably months.
It smells really good.
It is good. We're trying to drink.
Tried the Rising Dragon.
Happy Lunar New Year. Thank you.
It's good?
Yeah, you should try it. We're walking through Penang and headed towards the jetty where the Lunar New Year celebrations. We almost got hit by that bus, but we're walking through the city towards the jetty where the Lunar New Year celebrations are, and traffic is backed up throughout the whole city, so I feel like it's gonna be pretty busy over there, but we'll see. It's like red right now because this whole street is lit up red, which looks so nice.
I got my red on, kind of red. Wait, it looks brown, but anyways, it's a little bit red. It's like crimson. I don't know, amber. I don't know, one of those colors red for Chinese New Year.
Did you
Super
plan?
exciting.
Did you plan that?
Yeah, I planned that out, and we'll see how this compares to Bangkok. Bangkok was like packed with a ton of people, so it looks like it's going to be packed here tonight. I think it starts here in about 20 minutes. So ready to go.
Big applause to our special performance. 哇，从这个舞蹈当中，大家可以感受得到一下，我们其实马来西亚的多元文化的 multicultural from Malaysia。我们现场呢已经越来越热闹了，很多的这个鞭炮声此起彼落，大家一定要是在这个 social media 还蛮多粉丝，刚刚有去看一下他的这个 IG。
Stuck in this crowd, like no one's even moving. Everyone's trying to move, but no one's moving. Ridiculous.
Everyone's trying to get through and no one can move.
We are slowly moving. Like getting squeezed.
It's a little bit like the celebration in Chinatown in Bangkok.
Yeah,
I'm
really.
not sure why we thought it wouldn't be this crowded, but again, we cannot move through the crowd.
Well, there's also this show going on, so I think everyone's watching this. Well, or filming it.
Oh my God.
Not really watching it. Chinese song?
This is like the biggest fire hazard.
Yeah, it's like, where's the fire department?
Tiki torch fluid over here. I love how the fireworks are just like sporadic, so you don't know when it's over, when it's still happening. It's like every 5 minutes the fireworks start again.
Yeah, there's no official like fireworks show. It's just been going on whenever people want to, it seems like. And it's also right in the middle of the street, so they just have like bricks surrounding the fireworks. It's like there's a ton of street vendors. There's a herbal tea back there and a sushi, and then like looks like they got some dumplings over here. Some of those potato swirls. Anyways, it's been like utter chaos the whole time. It's like you just walk around, you don't know what to expect, you don't know what you're gonna find.
It's so loud right now. There's literally fireworks all the way around us.
It's ridiculous. I'm pretty sure that you can buy the fireworks right there and then just take them over there and line them up in a circle on the street. I think that's what everybody's doing. Oh my gosh. This is the massive firecracker that they have. Just like in the middle of the road. And she's about to light it. That has to be like thousands in his hand. Thousands of firecrackers. It's all night. Last night, all night, you'd hear it go off in the middle of the night, 2:30 a.m. These huge firecrackers just, I mean, you can see them all in his hand right there. So we're 25 minutes in and continuous fireworks the entire time. That's absolutely like literally 25 minutes. We're now 30 minutes into this, and there's no end in sight of this fireworks show. It is insane. So we're walking back now. It's now been like 35 minutes that the fireworks have been going. You can still hear them. I have a feeling they're gonna go until midnight. But now we're like completely surrounded by them.
I'm probably gonna lose my hearing like 10 years earlier in my life now. My ears are like throbbing, but it's so cool to see.
I've never seen this many fireworks in my life.
And for so long. Like normally in the US, a 10-minute fireworks show is like, wow, they really splurged on the fireworks. But this is like, it's probably gonna end up being an hour at least.
Yeah, I'm sure. And they've been launching fireworks off the whole time. This has been continuous though for like 35 minutes at least now. So they have these just rows and rows of firecrackers. These are all little tiny firecrackers that they're about to light off. These aren't even right here. That's over there that's making all that noise. All these guys have it set up all the way down the street. This person is just shooting fireworks like out their window, I think, or something. But, oh wait, here's more that's about to go off. And then down the street you can see more going off. There's some right here, and then also all the way down there. So there's more going on back there. And there's also a car alarm. This car's alarm is going off right here. From so many fireworks, someone's gonna be disappointed. There's more going on over there. Back there. Happy Chinese New Year!
We finally made it to a spot that's like slightly quieter, and the entire skyline is just haze from all the fireworks, and it's so smoky, and it's like literally every direction there's fireworks.
Oh my God.
This is not a quieter spot. I don't know why I said that.
It's hazy, it's smoky, and I don't even know if we can talk because it's so loud.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what I expected, but it was not such an expensive fireworks show.
It's like people just light them in something. People light them in the middle of the intersection. Just cars will be driving by, they'll place it in the middle of the intersection, light it up, and it'll go for a minute.
Okay, it's too loud, so we're done trying. Okay,
Yeah.
bye. Oh, it's like pointed way up.
Yep.
Happy Chinese New Year!
Maybe say it a little louder.
Maybe not, let's not do it right here.
Try it.
I don't want to do it right here, it's much
Okay. What'd you
I
say?
don't know if we can say that on YouTube.
Yeah, you can.